Hey, I've been using this treadmill. I just wanted to give you a quick review. Now, the brand did send this to me. I'm gonna bring you up close in just a second, show you all the bells and whistles, but just to give you an idea, this is how big it is, and I would say this is like a medium size. So you've got your full-size treadmill, and then you've got like your walking pads. This is somewhere in between. It's long enough to where your heels don't want to slide off the back, so you are able to just pick this up. And look, you can go ahead and just roll it around, get it in position. So here is your safety switch. You're always gonna wanna have that. Here's your display. Down here is all of your controls. So we've got our speed. It's gonna start you out at a 0.5 miles per hour. And we can go ahead and hold this down. This is gonna go all the way up to 7.5 miles per hour. Operating this treadmill is very simple, which I like. It's not overly complicated. So the mode button is just gonna toggle you through your different options. So if I just wanna time the workout, I can do that. If I hit mode again, I can set my distance. So let's say I wanna go for only 2 miles. And after 2 miles, it's just gonna go ahead and shut down. You can preset your time, preset the distance that you wanna walk or run, and then preset how many calories you wanna burn. I have a heart rate monitor here, and over here, you have to touch both of your hands at the same time. So if you look right here, watch what happens when I put my hands on it. It's gonna start to kick on, and now it is measuring my heart rate. So you'll notice right next to where I put my hands, there's a speed button. So I don't have to go all the way up there to adjust. I can keep my hands here, and I can go ahead and adjust my speed. Now over here on this side, in the same position is your start stop button. Okay, so here's the app. It's got a little track on there. It's gonna show where you're at on the track, and it's gonna take all of the data on the regular screen here, and it's gonna display it on your phone. If you wanna jog, I'll put it on 5.5 there. I'm more of a walker. I don't do a ton of running, but you can really book it on this. You do have that capability. We'll go ahead and bump it down. If you want to get your steps in, if you're somebody that's concerned about your overall health, definitely check it out. Give this one a shot. I think you're going to like it. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.